Fermentation enthusiasts, get ready. Today we're diving into the best yogurt and fermenters of 2025, showcasing versatile machines that make yogurt, black garlic, kimchi, and more effortlessly at home. Let's explore which one's perfect for your kitchen. First up, in our best yogurt makers of 2025 is the versatile KUMIO 1.2 quart automatic yogurt maker, which doubles as an ice cream and gelato maker. If you're all about homemade desserts and creamy yogurts, this machine is about to become your favorite kitchen gadget. The standout feature? No pre-freezing required. Thanks to its built-in compressor, you can whip up frozen yogurt, ice cream, or gelato on demand. Its 4 modes allow you to switch seamlessly between recipes, whether you're making a light sorbet or a rich frozen treat. With a 1.2 quart capacity, it's perfect for small families or individual portions. The LCD display and timer make it easy to monitor and control the process, and the keep cool function ensures your creations stay chilled until you're ready to enjoy them. The stainless steel design isn't just sleek, it's durable and easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting use. Whether you're experimenting with fruity flavors, probiotic-packed yogurt, or decadent gelato, the KUMIO automatic yogurt maker offers endless possibilities. Next on our list of the best yogurt makers of 2025 is the ultimate probiotic yogurt maker, the go-to choice for health enthusiasts looking to improve their gut health with homemade probiotic-rich yogurt. This yogurt maker shines with its adjustable temperature and time controls, giving you precise control over the fermentation process. That means you can create yogurt packed with trillions of live probiotics tailored to your taste and dietary needs. Whether you prefer thick Greek yogurt or a lighter, creamier consistency, this machine delivers it all. With its simple-to-use interface, you can set it and forget it, while the compact design makes it easy to fit in any kitchen. And let's talk durability. This yogurt maker comes with a lifetime warranty, so it's built to last and backed by confidence. Perfect for men and women aiming to boost their gut health, this machine also makes an excellent wellness gift for friends and family. Users rave about how it simplifies the process of creating probiotic-packed yogurt, saving money and avoiding store-bought preservatives. Up next is the AAOBOSI 1.6 quart ice cream maker, a multitasking marvel for anyone who loves homemade desserts. This machine goes beyond just frozen yogurt. It's your go-to gadget for crafting creamy ice creams, refreshing sorbets, and more, all without the hassle of pre-freezing. Equipped with a built-in compressor, the AAOBOSI ensures you can make frozen treats on demand, no prep work needed. Its 4 versatile modes make it a breeze to switch between yogurt, ice cream, gelato, or sorbet, catering to all your dessert cravings. The 1.6 quart capacity is perfect for family-sized batches, while the long-lasting cooling function keeps your creations at the ideal temperature until you're ready to serve. The LCD digital display and timer add precision and convenience, letting you customize the texture and flavor of your desserts with ease. Built with durable stainless steel, this machine combines style and functionality, and its sleek design ensures it's as easy to clean as it is to use. Whether you're making a rich frozen yogurt or experimenting with new flavors, the AAOBOSI delivers consistent, creamy results every time. Users love its larger capacity and efficient performance, making it perfect for entertaining or family dessert nights. Let's take a look at the DiDimo yogurt maker, a versatile kitchen tool that makes creating homemade yogurt, Greek yogurt, cheese, and even natto easier than ever. Perfect for health-conscious foodies, this machine is designed to put full control of the ingredients and flavors in your hands. The DiDimo features a timer control for precision, allowing you to set the perfect fermentation time for your yogurt or other creations. Whether you're aiming for creamy Greek yogurt or tangy natto, the stainless steel liner ensures even heating and optimal results every time. It's not just about functionality. The built-in strainer lets you create rich, thick Greek yogurt effortlessly, while the compact, portable design makes it easy to store or take on the go. The electric setup means no babysitting. Simply set it, forget it, and come back to delicious, homemade yogurt. Users love the versatility of this yogurt maker, praising how easy it is to use and clean. From nutrient-packed breakfasts to indulgent desserts, the DiDimo yogurt maker delivers consistent results without any preservatives or artificial additives. If you're ready to enjoy fresh homemade yogurt and more, click the link below and make the DiDimo yogurt maker your new kitchen essential. Next on our list is the incredibly versatile Moongiantgo 6 Black Garlic Fermenter, a multifunctional fermenter that takes your kitchen creativity to the next level. From black garlic and yogurt to natto, kimchi, and even fruit wine, this intelligent machine handles it all with ease. Its standout feature is the 6L capacity, perfect for larger batches, whether you're prepping family-sized portions of yogurt or making a big batch of black garlic for your recipes. The fermenter's automatic intelligent controls allow for precise time and temperature adjustments, ensuring consistent and perfect results for any fermentation project. The sleek design includes a user-friendly digital interface, making it easy to program and monitor your fermenting process. Whether it's setting a specific temperature for yogurt or timing your garlic fermentation, this machine gives you complete control. The 110V system delivers efficient, even heating, while the stainless steel inner pot ensures durability and easy cleanup. It's ideal for both beginners and seasoned fermenting enthusiasts, offering a hassle-free way to explore a variety of healthy homemade foods. And that's a wrap on our top picks for the best yogurt and fermenters of 2025. Whether you're after creamy yogurt, tangy kimchi, or rich black garlic, these machines make it simple, precise, and delicious. Check the links below to grab your favorite and transform your kitchen into a fermentation haven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen tech reviews. See you in the next video.